Welcome to the course. My name is OctoMan from OctoManGames.com, and in this course we are going to learn how to create a Guess Who game in Unity Game Engine. We are going to learn how to create buttons and interact with these. For example, like clicking on the start button over here. We're going to learn a lot about pop-ups and how we can show them and how we can automate most of the things and how to show corresponding information. We are going to learn how to use scriptable objects to design all of these, let's say, character traits and show the corresponding traits to it as a little helper over here. So we are also learning how to toggle these ones on and off. We are also learning how to create question management over here and how to actually start the work around this game. So for example, we are now at the turn and we should actually create or select one of them characters. If we are happy with the selection, we say yes. And so now it says select the question below to ask. And we are playing against an AI character, which has chosen also something. And now on the bottom over here, we are going through some pre-prepared, let's say, sentences. We can also change direction and stuff like that. And we can check for multiple different questions over here. And of course, we can now cheat over here. We are debugging this one beforehand, so we know, okay, is it male or female? And we can give AI this response. And as you can tell, AI is going to think about it like 2 or 3 seconds. It tells us no, and we're going to have some auto marking over here. And then AI is taking its turn and asking us a question. If we do now say the wrong thing over here, then we would get no penalty, but you could later on in the end go and add some stuff. Also, as you have seen over here on the right side, AI has its own play field and marks the same content on its own. We are generating all the content inside this course. So now you can see we also have a little button or toggle in the bottom right corner, which says we can also do our own marking system over here. For example, if we now ask for a hat, we're going to wait until AI is telling us. And now, since we have this one off, we can now mark the characters by our own. So is it saying yes or no? And if it does have no hat, then we can mark the characters on our own. And it does not matter if it is correct or not. But we are now allowed to change the complete correction or collection over there. If we decide in the next time or next turn to do this on again, then we can do so. Now we need to select done marking, and AI is going to think of what he is going to ask us. So we say, no, we don't have any hat. And you can see now, we now can go and try to win this round. When we are thinking that we know which is the character we got, then we're going to choose it from this drop-down list. We are going to fill this drop-down list fully in this course by, for example, choosing Frank maybe. And then we can say, okay, do we want to do this guess? Yes or no. If we do so, we're going to say, oh no, the game is over, you lost, because my character is Quinn, and Quinn is this character over here, and we can decide to restart this full round or exit back into the game. So if you like to join me on this journey and learn how to create this Guess Who game in its full power, as you have seen over here, feel free to do so. So let's get started.